Hi, I'm Rodley from LemTask, and today we will be reviewing Trello, a task management tool that helps you organize your tasks. And today we'll be talking about a very important topic on how to use Trello without overwhelming yourself and your task at hand. This is Trello's home website. You can sign up if you don't have an account, or if you already have, you can already log in. Once you sign up and log in, this is Trello's dashboard. This is how it is. If you scroll down, you'll create a board right here. Then you just type the name of the board and you create. Once you have the board, I'm going to show you a simple setup that you will be able to do. First thing is you need to write inbox, add it right there. You add today, you add it right there. Then you write done. This is a very simple system. You have your inbox, you have today, you have your done. Whatever you have scheduled as your tasks, for example, you can write a task saying work, make some couple of examples, go to the gym, they're going to be 5, read, take kids out, have a meeting. Once you add your tasks, the simplest thing is to do when you are about to attack the task today, you just take and you shift the task from inbox to today, signifying that this is the task that you're dealing in hand within today. Then we'll just add 3 more. You add gym, you add read. Automatically, this is what you have set yourself to do. These are the level of tasks that you have to do. Once you are done with your task, you simply move them to done. Once you are done your task, you simply move them to done so that you can signify that this is already done. And once you have done that, you just tick it, marking it complete in this box section. So you know that the task that you have set for yourself, you have already completed. A simple step, as long as you keep your list small and easy, it should be easy to tackle your task. The more simpler tasks that you have, the more easy for them to get done because they are less. As you can see, we had like 5 tasks, 2 already completed, 3 already done. Then if you do not complete one, you leave them into today. Then you have 2 tasks, then you have 3. Then you face that you say, okay, today I'm doing this task. You take the kids out, you're having a meeting, you're having your work. Once you have completed a task, once again, just hold it and slide it over to the next board, signifying that, no, this is done. Once you're done, you just tick right here. Easy and simple. It's a simple system to manage your workflow and able to complete your tasks without feeling overwhelmed, without feeling overstressed. The most people make about mistakes in Trello is adding too many lists that they can't afford to do in a day. They end up their tasks being not fulfilled and they end up not doing them because the tasks are a lot of things they can't complete in a day. But with a simple setup, as long as you have less than 5 tasks in your hand within a day, you can complete them today and move them to the next day forward, completing 5 tasks per day consistently without overflowing, without overloading yourself with so many links, so many projects that you end up not working on them. You end up managing the task at hand instead of the task being completed. For this content, I'll show you how we use the similar approach here at LemTask. This is the LemTask homepage. This is the LemTask dashboard. This is how it is. LemTask has very good features equipped for execution to help you tackle tasks much faster, much better, and execute them much profoundly. If you go to Braindom right here, there are so many great features on ways to create tasks that are assigned for yourself. You have the quick section, you can type, you can use voice right here. You can import a file, you can import a transcript, you can import a CSV file, and you can import audio to task. We'll just use this first feature, the start voice one, and I'll show you how we schedule our task here quickly and efficiently. Work today. The reason why I'm saying work today is that when you use the voice work today, it's actually, I'm giving it that this is tasks, especially today. So once you extract, you'll see that this is work and today's date. And you're just going to schedule the time. You're going to schedule how high level of a priority it is. It's a high one for me. and you will just add it to the list. As you can see, there's a suggestion here telling you that this is for work. Then you just say accept. Then you just add to the task. That's how quick, simple it is. We'll just do another 4 examples to show you how I do it again. Go into the gym today. You extract, set date. You can even customize the time that you want. Set priority, put into file, accept, and add the task, just like that. And you're done. Already we have added 5 tasks. If I go to my list right here, you will see that automatically, as we were using the voice feature, it was also scheduling our task right here. As you can see, take kids out, read novel, go into the gym, work. Those are all the 5 examples that we intended right there. So as you can see, it shows you your time, your date, and your duration. Once you have completed the task, you just press tick, just press tick here. And as you complete your task, notice that you get points for completing your task, making sure that you always stay consistent. This is the approach we use here at LemTask. Trello. This system works very perfectly if you keep it simple and consistent. As long as you have few boards, inbox today done, that is the content formula. You have your task that you need in the inbox. You have today in terms of things that you're willing to do today. You dedicate your time. Once you are done, you just move them into the done column and you just tick and done. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is Rodley from LemTask. Please subscribe, like, and hit the notification button below.